Hello guys and welcome to the another lecture where we are going to see how to code the StreamLit application, our first application. So let's name it as app.py, and as I said that for the documentation part we can just refer to this page on the internet for the StreamLit documentation, so we can go through that documentation. So to get started, and once we are done with the installation part, so we can have some text elements or some titles to be displayed on our application, which is this something. So everything is there ready for us. It's ready made in the documentation part, so we just have to drag and drop or just copy and paste it here. So basically, to start with the application, what I need to do is I need to first import StreamLit. So I'll just import StreamLit, and after importing StreamLit, I can just have the title tag, which is I'll just import StreamLit as st, so that I can just use that abbreviation here. So st dot. So as soon as you do a st dot, you get all the methods which are listed here. So st dot, and then inside this title you can mention like something as the first, sorry, it's like the first application. So this is the first application, this is the title of our application here. And so once this is done, once this is ready for you, so what you can do is you can also like go back and check some sample, like some sample codes or some sample applications wherein uh, it's easy to interpret like how to write or how to go about with the StreamLit application. So basically, to run this application, what we want is we have to write like the command. We have to use this particular command, that is StreamLit, and then run, and then your application name, that is app.py. So as soon as you run this, it will this command, when you fire this command, it will run and it will take you to a page, a web page directly, where the StreamLit application will be running, and that will show you your text which you had written there. That is, this is like the first application. So now the cool thing here in StreamLit is that you don't have to each and every time run it from like here. You don't have to fire this command each and every time. You make some changes here in your application. So let's go about with some other documentation. Like if this is a title, so let's just display a header. Let's say we need a header here, so that's the same thing. So basically the header will come below the title here. So let's code the header part here. This is just to explain like how do we run the application when you save the file, what will be the changes there here in the application, on the application front. So if you change here st.header, and then if you change this is a Udemy course from, let's say, my name Chetwa, and we save this file here. So as soon as I save this file here, what happens here is that the source file is changed. There is a notification which you get here saying that the source file is changed here. And what do you want to do? You want to rerun this manually, or you want to always rerun? Now what is always rerun here is that as soon as you save some changes here, those changes will be rerun automatically. So if you click on always rerun, they will be continuously changing or rerunning this. Like if you say, if you want to change this here, this is the first application, or let's say I'll just change this as this is our first application in StreamLit, and then just save it, and you see it. See, it's already rerun for you, and the changes are displayed here. So this is a very cool library, and trust me, we are going to work on this library, and we are going to develop some amazing projects in the future course. So till then, happy learning.